Relax. Relax. That's right. And as you relax, you can open your mind to learn new things, because that is what we're all here for, today and every day, to learn new things, skills, techniques, strategies that will help you in the future, for yourself, your clients, your family, your life. And this is so. Now, as your mind remains open to all the learnings, as your mind absorbs all the learnings and stores it in that special place in your mind where all learnings are stored. And another slow, deep breath as you allow your eyes to gently reopen. Gently reopen. Another slow, deep breath. That's right. Good. Good. Okay, lovely. How did everyone go with that?
Oh my God, I was going to sleep.
Awesome. What did you say?